Hey y'all, it's your boy Darker Honest Duh, and today, baby, we coming at you with another collab from Madam Glam. Yes, honey, and oh, what a mighty collab it is. Yes, I know you see the material, baby. I'll give it to you every week. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for coming by. If you are new, welcome to the channel. If you're returning, what it do, boo? What's the tea? Marie. Okay, we'll give the tea later. If anything, let's go ahead and get into this set, y'all, okay? Let's go ahead and do it, okay, baby? Let's go! Hey y'all, hey y'all. So guess what? It's another collab. Y'all, Madam Glam has really been hooking your boy up. I have to give a special shout out and thanks to Madam Glam for seeing the potential in the art that I be doing on my phalanges. Y'all are the real MVPs. I do have one more PR, but this video is going to be the video to start off 2024. So I would like to say, how you doing, boo? And I hope your 2024 is pursuing you. I just wanted to rhyme. Right. Anyways, let's start off the video on a good note. As you know, Madam Glam, obviously they send me product that's gonna give me a discount code. So if you use your boy discount code, Dark 135, you get 35% off of your purchase of $15 and higher. So yes, yes, yes. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Let's see if I can get it open. Ooh, rip me out the plastic. Bam, y'all. So as you can see, they sent me about this is 5 products. They sent your boy 5 products. Well, actually, this is 6 products. I can't count. I can't count. I can't count. Don't do me. I can't count, y'all. So they sent me 6 products, but I'm only gonna be using like maybe a couple of them to successfully complete this style that I'm be doing. Ooh, some of these are so freaking pretty. But yeah, they sent me all of these products. Throw this box somewhere. Throw it to the side. So these are all the products that I got. I'm really excited to use like most of these products, like for real. Especially this one. This one is like a beautiful, like speckled. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, y'all. So let's let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So I know for a fact I'm using that. This one, I believe this is a shimmer. Yeah, this is a shimmer. I didn't know there was a shimmer. I thought it was a white. It looked at white on the camera, y'all. It looked at white when I was looking at it, but I'm mostly gonna focus on doing this part. I wanted to use white. I thought I ordered white. Maybe I looked at the color wrong. But yes, y'all, you're gonna see the other polishes in the video. But I'm gonna go, let me see. Hold up, hold up. Okay, give me a minute. Nope, I do not have a white from Madam Glam. So I'm gonna go ahead and off camera real quick, I'm gonna put on a white because I want this video to be mainly focused on Madam Glam. So I'm gonna put on a white polish real quick to kind of start the design, and then we'll come back and we'll finish it, okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So I kind of went ahead and I started off the design using the white polish from a different brand. Like I said, I wanted to keep this video catered to Madam Glam, because pretty much that's the brand. They sent me all these products pretty much. But out of most of these products, honestly, I'm honestly gonna use two, and I'm gonna double back and use the other ones in videos to come. New year, new products. Plus, I have some already Christmas content. They're sending me Christmas products that I'm gonna have to work on before this video. So your boy has a lot to do on his schedule. But yes, let's go ahead and get into this. So I went here and I did the first part of the design. I went here and I cured that bad boy for 60. I know you probably noticed that I am using this smaller one. This is one that plugs up. I have it plugged up into my power bank because at the moment, your boy, your boy fucked up. And I thought that I had auto pay set up for my utilities, for my electric bill, and turns out psych, I didn't. So apparently for the past 3 months, it hasn't been taking my payments, but yeah, your boy is currently, my lights are currently off, but I'm making do with what I got because I'm a bad bitch, and bad bitches, you can't kill bad bitches. But yes, y'all. So these other creators out here have literally no excuse as to why they're not making content for you guys. If I can make content and my lights is off by just using a phone, and that's literally all I'm using is just my phone right now. If I can make content for you guys by just using my phone, then these other content creators have no excuse. Now the polish that I just used is called Dalmatian. It gives very much what it's supposed to give. I just put that over the white part. I'm gonna take kind of like a liner brush, and I'm gonna use that brush to go over these other lines that I created, just to also give it that very much that Dalmatian look. That's exactly what I wanted to go for, was a Dalmatian look. And the other polishes I got, like I said, I got it because I wanted to use it for a later video. I'm always have content. Plus, it's like I'm already going to have a lot of reviews and stuff for makeup, which, yeah. But yeah, I'm just slowly paying my electric bill until it's back on, so you guys have no need to worry. Yes, that looks so cute so far. So fucking cute, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for a quick 60, and then we're gonna get into the final part of the design, okay? Okay, so I went ahead and I cured those for the 60. Now I'm gonna go in using white lace, which at first I thought white lace was just a white polish. Psych, it wasn't. But it did kind of brought, I'm glad I did kind of get this polish. And we're actually gonna put a thin layer over the Dalmatian. It'll make sense. Just trust the process. Okay? But yeah, guys, your boy is all right. Just figuring stuff out. Crazy part is that I have to figure all of this out, and also Christmas. So God, bitch, when I tell you a bitch money is gone with the wind fabulous, okay? These bills is eating your boy up alive. But I am gonna be actually moving. So yes, I wanted to get something closer to the fam, you know? I'm also kind of downgrade. I have a 3-bedroom, and it just seems like I'm not even using the 3rd bedroom. So it just feels like I'm paying so much for space that I'm not even really utilizing. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60. I'm going to put a matte top coat, and then we're going to get into the final reveal, okay? Okay, y'all. All right, y'all. So the time has come for you to sashay away. Okay. The sun is setting, y'all, and it's the weekend. Y'all got stuff to do. All I hope is, all I gotta say is, I hope you guys are having a good 2024 so far. The sets came out so cute. It's kind of low key giving cookies and creams. I kind of love that little cookie and cream vibe. Yes, y'all, finger looking good. But if anything, thank you, Madam Glam, for sending your boy these beautiful products. I can't wait to feature the rest of these products in some future videos. I just can't wait. Can't wait. So much things to do, so much things to create in so little time, y'all. So little time. I only got two hands, so Jesus. Trying to get my sisters on the channel, but we'll see how that goes. If anything, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. Y'all know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. You dig? If anything, I'm not gonna hold y'all up because I got stuff to do. Y'all got stuff to do. Okay, so let's go do the do and do the do. Okay. So, if anything, until next time, peace.